goal in this clinical study was to reconnect the brain electronically to the body and also the spinal cord to promote what we call plasticity. And the goal was to have lasting movements and sensations.
I never thought that was possible. I didn't even think touching my two hands together like this was possible. So till I get the strength of my right arm is amazing.
To see the moment when Keith, felt Michelle's hand, his sister's hand, I don't think there was a dry eye in the lab, and including mine.
I was excited for him because I know how much independence means.
We do feel that it is possible, as mentioned, to apply this kind of technology and this new approach to the lower parts of the body, the lower limbs, the legs. It's a similar idea where we are, in essence, supercharging the spinal cord. And if we can awaken some of those circuits that are damaged and have been dormant for years, then the sky's the limit.